So there is this good girl syndrome, right? मुझे आपसे पूछना है कि has there ever been a pressure to be a good boy, and वो good boy syndrome क्या होता है?
इट इज़ वेरी मच द सेम, राइट? आपको गुड गर्ल के अंदर क्या होता है कि अगर आप एक तरीके से बैठ नहीं रहे हो, अगर आप एक तरीके से आपकी आपकी आवाज़ बहुत ऊंची है, आप ज़्यादा स्माइल करते हो, आप बहुत आप पतले नहीं हो, आप यू आर नॉट इनफ, आप इतने गोरे नहीं हो, व्हाटएवर, देयर ऑल ऑफ दीज आइडियाज ऑफ व्हाट अ गर्ल शुड बी इन आवर सोसाइटी। और अल्टीमेटली क्यों चाहते हो आप वो? ताकि एट सम पॉइंट इन टाइम आपकी शादी करवा सके, और वो शादी करवाने के लिए ये सारी आपके अंदर क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए।
Correct.
कि एनीबडी ज्यादा बोल रही है तो शादी नहीं होगी, अगर ज्यादा हंसी है तो शादी नहीं होगी,
ज़्यादा एजुकेटेड है तो
ज्यादा एजुकेटेड है शादी नहीं होगी, हाँ कितना पढ़ लो लोगी शादी नहीं करानी, व्हाटएवर। अगर तुमने ज्यादा खाना बनाना सीखा तो शादी नहीं होगी। वो लड़कों को क्या बोला जाता है कि तुम्हें अल्टीमेटली अगर तुम्हें वो लड़का बनना है जिससे गुड गर्ल शादी करेगी, तो फॉर दैट यू हैव टू डू व्हाटएवर इट टेक्स। एंड उसका एक ही चीज होती है लड़के को करने को, for being the boy that the good girl wants to marry, which is to earn a certain amount of money. वही सोसाइटी होती है। और what does that mean? अगर आपको मनी अर्न करना है तो आपको एक आफ्टर एक के बाद एक सक्सेस चाहिए, और सक्सेस के लिए फिर आपकी जिंदगी में कोई भी हॉबी होती है वो इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है। वेयर गर्ल्स आर बेसिकली told to be nurturers, boys are basically told to be providers, and that is where all of us are unfortunately caught. गुस्सा क्यों आता लड़कों के अंदर? जो ये एंगर है, एंड आई डोंट वांट टू एक्सक्यूज द एंगर, वी ऑब्वियसली शुड होल्ड अकाउंटेबल द बॉयज हु act out on that anger, especially in today's society when there's a lot of help available, but that anger has come because इतना दबाया गया है। So ये सारी चीजें इसलिए क्योंकि बचपन में आपको अलाउ नहीं किया गया अपनी आइडेंटिटी ढूंढना, encourage नहीं किया गया आपको जो पसंद है उसमें to just partake in that, and that's where we are today. So it's the same, you know, good girl is someone who has to be good enough to marry a boy, and good boy has to be someone who has to earn enough to marry a good girl.
Correct. So like how they say, right, patriarchy oppresses everyone. So it is
What do you think? Do you feel the same?
Absolutely. Also I feel that like आप anger की बात कर रहे थे, like I feel anger express करने का तरीका लड़कों को like they are free to express anger, right? Like कुछ फेंक दिया, ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया, but I'll speak for myself, like anger was never like वो कहते हैं like a permitted emotion. And that is why when I get angry even today, I end up crying. Because I don't know how to be angry. And that's why probably we never really see female rage also that much. चाहे आप pop culture, films, कहीं पर भी देख लो, you will see men throwing things when they are angry, you know, taking out anger at someone. But जो female rage होती है वो that is rebellion. वो अलग तरीके से निकलती है.
It's so well said, but you see that it's the exact opposite for boys. कि लड़कों को रोना अलाउड नहीं है.
Correct. हाँ.
But anger is allowed.
Yeah.
Because anger is an expression जो आपने पेट्रियार्क से देखा हुआ है. जब मैं रोड शोज पे गया हूँ और मैं एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करता हूँ सारे बच्चों के साथ, स्टूडेंट्स के साथ, and it's a simple experiment. I say, what is the first word that comes to your mind when you think of the word mother? What do you think is the first one that people say?
Care, love.
Love is actually the most talked about. Love. What is the first word that comes to your mind when you think of father?
Strict. Angry.
First word that comes to your mind when you think of mother is love. First word that comes to your mind when you think of father is anger. That is the society we are growing up in. The normalized emotion only, again, with the reason that women are not allowed to have anger is because आपका association नहीं है. The first association with the woman for anybody being born into this world is love and nurturing, because the woman gives you birth. तो अगर मदर को maternity leave है, फादर को तो बोला जाता है कि तुम 2 हफ्ते में जाओ अपने काम पे. फादर को तो अपॉर्चुनिटी भी नहीं मिलती बच्चे के साथ बॉन्ड करने को. So when you're not able to bond with your child, you're meeting your child as much as you meet, like, you know, less than you meet your colleagues at office. 8 घंटे अपने ऑफिस के लोगों के साथ काम टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हो, आप वापस आके जितना बच्चा जागा होता है 2 घंटा अपने बच्चे के साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हो. So the only emotion you have is that when the child doesn't really listen to you and you don't know how to talk to the child or how to behave with the child, so it's anger that comes out, and that's anger that's normalized. We face that anger, our parents have faced that anger with their father, and so on and so forth. So the long list of things that we've seen that has been normalized for boys to feel is anger.
Correct.
And at the same time there is shame attached to crying. बट वही है कि आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल एंड ग्लैड दैट बिकॉज ऑफ फेमिनिज्म women आर एबल टू एक्सप्रेस these emotions. लड़कों के अंदर तो, आदमियों के अंदर तो कोई ऐसा रेवोल्यूशन आया ही नहीं है कि जहां पर आदमी बोल भी पाए कि यार ये गलत चीज है. मैं ना प्राउड ऑफ देयर एंगर
Yeah.
and there's nothing to be proud of it. You know, it's a toxic thing. It's a very harmful thing.
Correct.
You should find a way not to be angry. But again, because you've seen that as such a normalized thing, and there is no other option, कहीं तो निकलेंगे emotion. वो गुस्से में निकलते हैं.
करेक्ट बट मेरे साथ बहुत उल्टा था ये आई सीन माई मॉम वेरी एंग्री बट माई डैड बी वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड इमोशनल एंड हमारे दिमाग में मम्मी की एक सर्टन इमेज डाल दी गई थी कि शी हैज़ टू बी वेरी गिविंग और वेरी नर्चरिंग और वेरी लविंग ऑल द टाइम सो आई टू फील कि मेरी मम्मी हमेशा इतने गुस्से में क्यों रहती है बट मुझे आपसे पूछना है कि यू जनरली आर सो लाइक यू नो सेंसिटिव when it comes to talking about gender, equality, gender issues. But have you ever been called out by a woman for something that you may have said
Yeah.
unknowingly?
Of course, many times. The only way you learn is when someone tells you are wrong. अब क्या है कि हमारा डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म एज बॉयज एंड मेन इज दैट कि आप गलत हो ही नहीं सकते. आप तो आदमी हो, आप कैसे गलत हो गए? दुनिया ही आपकी है. तो एंड स्पेशली अगर वुमन आपको बोल रही है, औरत आपको बोल रही है कि आप गलत हो, फिर तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Again, for the context of others who may not have heard of this, I used to host the show called The Awesome TV Show for Film Companion, जहाँ पर मुझे भी थोड़ी बहुत हेट मिलती थी. एंड सुचारिता, who is used to do not a movie review for Film Companion, उसको भी हेट मिलती थी. She used to get gendered hate. I used to get general hate, right? So a lot of my hate was about my body कि तुम ठीक है मोटे हो whatever. And with Sucharita it was always about कि you're too feminist, etc. Right? So one day we were having a again just like us, we did like a combo episode where we were talking and answering audience questions, something like that. And somebody spoke about hate. And I always had this idea of hate कि यार actually आप समझो जो आपको hate दे रहा है. Be kind towards the person, and that person actually changes their tune and is actually then kind to you. And Sucharita then very nicely, very sweetly pointed out and said, Nikhil, the hate that you get is, okay, you are whatever. It could be on your body, it could be on your gestures, it could be on your language. The hate I get is rape threats. It is death threats. I can't be kind and compassionate to someone giving me a rape threat. I said, yes, you're absolutely right.
Yeah.
And it shook the idea of me saying to everyone when I used to really मैं जाके free में ज्ञान बांटता था कि सबको kind हो सब. And now I don't say that. I always say that be kind to everyone unless you are from a marginalized community, in which case you need to protect your sanity, you need to protect your mental health. So if someone is giving you hate in that way, that hate could be very specific to your marginalization. And at that point you can't really take the let's be kind to everyone. That's a very easy thing for me to say as a privileged man. क्योंकि मुझे कभी भी रेप थ्रेट नहीं मिली है लाइफ के अंदर. आई हैव गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ हेट. दैट्स नॉट समथिंग वी गेट बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हेटिंग आर मेन. सो नो मैन इज गोइंग टू टेल अनदर मैन कि आई वांट टू डू दिस टू यू.
Like there is a lot of conversation about like the R word that is being used for every woman on the internet. Any कुछ भी बोल दो, कुछ भी सीधा वही निकलता है. And I don't know how to like what to do about this. But like जब आप बात करते हो when you speak so much for like how men should be able to express and there should be a way for them to express. लड़कों से resistance face किया है when you talk about these issues?
I have never faced resistance from boys when I talk about men. I have faced resistance from them when I talk about women.
Oh.
So it is always the opposite. And in fact, again, you notice it's such a pattern कि अगर लड़के अपन बात कर रहे हैं कि लड़कों को vulnerable होना चाहिए and we should create a safe space for men to speak. You will see the comment section full of women saying yes, men should be given these spaces, empathy after empathy after empathy, compassion after compassion. On the other hand, if you make a thing ki women are unsafe and we should do better in society to create safer spaces, men will be like, not all men have done this, not all men. And I'm just like, bro, this happened in the first season. We had 8 episodes of men speaking. And there was only positivity we got everywhere from men, women, all genders. We had 1 episode of women speaking, Lisa, Mithila and Shrishti. And there was so much hate on that episode because Lisa spoke very openly about the risks that she said this line which I completely agree with. I still agree with. which is that she said that when for men and the risk they face in dating is that it'll be a bad date or
Yeah.
they'll get stood up. For women, the risk they face in dating is you can get murdered, you know. And now a lot of men have gotten angry about that. Ki, how could you say that about men? And to those men, I ask, you know, when you have a female friend, और शाम को जब वो तुम उनको घर छोड़ने क्यों जाते हो, तुम किससे बचा रहे हो उसको? बाकी लड़कियों से तो नहीं बचा रहे ना, तुम भी आदमियों से ही बचा रहे हो, तुम्हें खुद पता है. तुम अपनी दोस्त, अपनी बहनों को, अपनी फीमेल फ्रेंड्स को हमेशा कहते हो स्टे सेफ. क्यों? फ्रॉम whom should they stay safe? From whom? आंसर इज मेन ओनली. बट वो फिर हम नहीं बोलना चाहते, उससे हमको दिक्कत आ जाती है. एंड दिस इज हैपनिंग टू मी हु स्पीक सो मच अबाउट masculinity, who speaks so much about how men have also gone through patriarchy, men have also been oppressed, men should be given more spaces. Even to that person I'm constantly, तुम women के बारे में क्यों बात कर रहे हो? मतलब हद ही है. I don't understand. See, again, ultimately men have been oppressed by other men. That is just how it is, right? Power, it is patriarchy is a power structure. Who is in power? It is men. You know, any time that you know आगे बात करो ना, तो there is some आदमी जो again comment section में आके बोलेंगे कि यार लड़कों को तो वॉर पे भेजा जाता है, आपको हमको we become soldiers, we are told to you know go and kill other people, we die for the country, we die for the nation, you know, लड़कियों को तो नहीं बोला जाता. तो मैं बोल कौन रहा है?
Correct.
It is men.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.